Isam, please go ahead with your question.
Hi, Rangana. I was wondering how you assess Mahedi Hassan's performance in the World Cup. And second question, Rangana, is about Amirul Islam Biplab, the leg spinner. Why was he sent home so early? And what is his situation like? I mean, do you think that he can make it into the Bangladesh team back?
Hi, as a first question, with regard to Mehdi, so I'm so pleased with his performance throughout this World Cup and earlier previous tournaments as well. So now he's become a number 9 bowler for the T20 format. So that means he has done well, and with a different note that he's very keen to learn at the same time, so he can read the game very well. So in that case, I'm pleased with his performance at the moment. So for the second one, actually, Biplab actually, so what the management decided was there is a 3 spinners, including Saqib, Mehdi, and Nazum. So what they think that with this condition, they also thought this is the best combination. So, but I'm sure for the next tour against Pakistan, or there are a few tours coming up. So I'm sure that Biplab will join with the team next few tours.
Thank you.
Masood, your question, please.
Hi, Rangana. There are 2 questions. You are the proud member of the Sri Lanka's World Cup winning team back in 2014. So how disappointing it is to be a part of this Bangladesh team this time, number 1. And number 2, you saw Bangladesh in 2014 World Cup in their own backyard. So do you find any real difference within these 7 years?
The first one, as you said, in 2014, that we won the T20 World Cup, which is kind of a remarkable achievement for us as a Sri Lankan, as a member of the team. So, winning a World Cup, it's a different feeling, a different satisfaction. So, as a country that we have won 1996 World Cup, at the same time that we have become a 3-4 final events as well. But at the 2014 World Cup, which is very good for me, and the unforgettable, I would say that the unforgettable memories. Yeah. So yeah.
The other question: how disappointing it is to be a part of this Bangladesh team this time?
How? Sorry, I didn't get you.
How disappointing it is for you to be a part of this Bangladesh team this time, losing almost every matches?
So, so as you said, we haven't had a good outing so far in this World Cup, but this is part of the game. Only thing that we need to look at that how we can improve and how we can do well as a team, as an individual. So this is the challenge we have as a group, as a coaching group. So I'm sure that which I noticed, which I can believe that these guys capable of doing kind of a good performance. So, but still, I have so we have another 1 game to go. So I'm sure that guys will do their best, because we need to get ready for the next few tours against Pakistan and New Zealand as well. So only thing that we need to get that winning combination and winning confidence, and we need to think about the way forward of Bangladesh cricket.
Next is Shubham.
Yeah. Hi, Rangna. Hi, Rangna. My question is to you is that how do you feel about the conditions in UAE, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka are different, especially with the spinning on the first ball?
Are you talking about the surface?
Yeah, surface of the pitches.
Yeah, which I noticed just before the World Cup, that we are playing this World Cup after the IPL. We all knew that there are some assistants for the spinners during this World Cup. So you can see a lot of spinners are doing well, especially Rashid Khan, Adil Rashid, Wanidu Hasarangan for us as well, Saqib Al Hasan, Nazum, and Mehdi. So in that case, what I feel that always in a different situation, like World Cup, especially playing in subcontinental. So we have as a spinner as unit. So there are some assistants. So even I'm sure in Dubai as well tomorrow against Australia, I'm sure that there are some assistants for the spinners.
Sikandar?
Hi, coach.
Hi.
Can we go to a different question? And we'll try and get Sikandar back shortly.
Okay, we'll move on to Bapi and maybe come back and take Sikandar. Bapi, your question, please.
Coach, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Coach, do you feel that we need a leg spinner in this World Cup in our squad? Even Namibia have a leg spinner and he played 2 matches in this World Cup.
I'm sorry.
Coach, do you feel that we need a leg spinner in this World Cup in our squad?
You are talking about the right arm leg spinners?
Yes. Even Namibia have a leg spinner who played 2 matches.
Yeah, as you said, like even as I said earlier, there are a lot of spinners have been doing well, like Wantu Hasaranga, Shamshi, and Adil Rashid and Rashid Khan as well. So even think about the IPL as well. There are spinners has been doing well. So in that case, especially with the spinners, which I noticed that they have been doing well so far this tournament actually.
Sikandar, are you back?
Hi. I so Bangladesh couldn't achieve any game. Bangladesh couldn't win any game in Super 12 level. What is the lackings of Bangladesh team? Why they can't win the game and they can't compete in the top level? What is the lackings? Can you explain the things?
First thing that we need to appreciate that Bangladesh team has qualified for the Super 12. So unfortunately, we played very well against Sri Lanka. So unfortunately, we lost that game. So in that case, what I noticed that with all the departments, batting, bowling, and fielding, there is something to be improved. So that's why we need to work on it. So as I said earlier, so there are a lot to work on. So we as a coaching unit, so we need to look after those challenges actually.
Ronnie, your question, please.
Hi, Rangana.
Hi.
My question is not about the spinners, to be honest. You were part of the great Sri Lankan team over the years. You played with the likes of Kumar Sangakkara, Mahela Jayawardene, Sanath, and Murli, and some other legends. I know you can't find the Kumar and the likes of Mahela every now and then, but as far as the professionalism is concerned, how can Bangladesh players and Bangladesh cricket actually can achieve that professionalism and can go that far?
The first thing is as a cricketer, always there is a playing for your country, playing for your country. There always a proud and responsibility. The first thing that we all know, we all should understand that what are the responsibilities and what are the roles. So in that case, whether you're playing for Sri Lanka or whether you're playing for Bangladesh, the first thing that you need to understand about your strength and what kind of a role that you are going to play. So in that case, if you can identify that role and day by day how you can improve. So those are the challenges have cricketers in terms of getting better. You need to think about, you need to be a good cricketer or you need to become a great cricketer. So in that case, so you need to be more professional. At the same time, you need to work hard and you need to challenge yourself. In that case, I'm sure so you can improve with individual as well as a team.
Thank you. That's a great answer. Thank you.
Tarek.
Hi, Rangana.
Hi.
Your next mission is Pakistan series in the home ground. So after the World Cup experience, what is your plan for the next series? I am asking about the condition actually. Are you going to play in the same condition like Australia and New Zealand series, or there will be something different?
It's all depend on the where we are going to play, and I'm sure that we need to expect kind of a good pitches, so kind of equal one. So in that case, so you are giving self a chance to batters and the bowlers as well. So in that case, we are looking for have a kind of a good pitchers back home actually.
Sajid.
Hi Rangana, Bangladesh lost the last game very badly. So what is to achieve for the team against Australia in the next match?
So only, as I said, that as a professional, we need to come back strongly. So the thing is now we have another one game to go. So in that case, we need to keep that maintain that winning mindset, and we need to build that winning confidence. So in that case, we need to think about the way forward of Bangladesh cricket. So we have another chance to win against Australia tomorrow. So I'm sure that the guys will analyze what they have done and what they have to be do. Those are the things, and I'm sure that these guys will come back strong tomorrow against Australia.
Okay, last two questions. Isam?
Coach, David, can I ask?
Yes, I can hear you.
Coach, how you see Aminul Islam Biplab in the practice?
Yeah, I think as I discussed earlier, as I mentioned earlier, like a lot of wrist spinners are been doing well at this tournament. So I'm sure BP definitely will join with the next few tours. So I'm sure that with the combination, he will get an opportunity to play for Bangladesh.
The last question, Isam. Isam, you there?
Oh, sorry. It's okay, Ravid bhai. It's okay. My question has been answered.
Kalam, if you have any questions, otherwise we're almost done here.
No further questions from me. Thanks very much for your time, Rangana, and thanks for facilitating too.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you.